Hello guys, today we'll learn how can we make an animation blueprint for our desk character by using Maximo animation, and you can see our character is work perfectly, and when we press jump our character jump and loop and rending, and this is good, and you can see our character perfectly game ready character is made. So this is an easy class, so let's begin. So first of all, this is our candy character. We make a animation looping for this character, this character, and here you can see I am exporting some Maximo animation like landing, idle, standing, jump, and walk. Export this animation from Maximo, and I am using this kind of animation for my dash model animation blueprint and blend space. And uh, if you don't know how to retarget the maximum animation for dash model, you can check my previous video, and this is a easy process to retarget any maximum animation for dash character. So here we have different kind of animation for our animation blueprint. We just first retarget it for our Unreal Engine mannequin, and then we are retargeted for our test model. Okay, and now here we need another animation. Here you can see we have landing, jump, walk, and idle, and we also need a falling loop animation. I can't find any good falling loop animation in Maximo. For this we are just retarget this loop animation from our Unreal Engine mannequin. So we are just go to content and go to character folder. Here is a mannequin option, and here is a anim option. Also we are going to arm, and here you can see there is a jump folder, and there is a falling loop animation. This loop animation we need for our dash model. So we are just retarget it. Go to retarget, select our candy character, and use our IK retargeter we make for retargeting our dash model, and we are search falling loop. We want this animation for looping. Okay, we are just export it in our dash character anim folder. We just make a suffix here like dash and export it. Okay, now you can see we have the all animation for our character animation blueprint. Now we are make a animation blueprint for our dash character, and we are just search here animation blueprint and select our candy skeleton and create, and we make rename it ABP candy. Okay, and here we can see we have animation blueprint here, and here also we need a blend space for our character. So we just right click, go to animation, and here is option blend space, and we select our candy skeleton again and rename it BS candy. Okay, and here we are exporting our character, and for first of all we need some uh, uh, customization here for here horizontal axis. We just not the horizontal axis, we are just uh, yes, horizontal axis, we rename it to speed, and we maximum axis below make it 600, and snap to grid, and also make it 0.05. Okay, so first option, we make our character idle here, and we are search here the animation from here assess browser, and you can see the all animation with retargeting for this character. We have dash idle 2. I am using this idle animation. uh, okay, no, not this animation. I'm extremely sorry. I'm using this animation. This is good because this have also a breathing animation here, you can see. And for the 100 and 150, we are search work. Okay, we are using it for work, so you can see idle, and when we are work, our character is work. Okay, and also for the 600, we make the work. And you can use here a run animation. I just, this is a class, so I just make this simple. Okay, you can export a run animation from Maxima and use here for 600 for the run animation. That's your character is idle, work, and when run, your character will run. Okay, okay. So we make our blend space, and forget to save, and just save it and go for our animation loop in here and search here. Okay, we search a state meshing here, and also we search a default slot d, and we are just search it here and make this file. And here we are open our new state machine, and here is a empty. We just search here, add a state and rename it idle work work run. Okay, so this is a idle work run, and also make a jump at a state and rename it to jump. And also we are at a state here and rename it jump idle idle, idle. And also add a state here and rename it jump down. And we are just, sorry, here. Okay, for the idle work run, we are just use our blend space just to make blend space, and for the speed we just promote a variable here and just name take keep the name it speed. And if we complete here, you can see there is a arrow, so we are just go to our new state, and here you can see there is option where this is the arrow can enter the transaction. So we make a value here, variable here, as is jumping, and delete it. Make this simple. We just make promote a variable here and rename it is jump. Okay, and also go back to our animation setter, and here drag the is jump, and we just make not boolean file. And machine, we are now add our jump animation here, and here is our jump dash, and we select this. Okay, compile, And also here for the jump idle, we are search falling for loop and jump down. We are just search our landing animation. Okay, and we also set up our jump animation. We just make this loop animation. That means when our player is uh, jumping and when our player is falling, our loop animation is looping. Okay, and also we set up the transaction here. We are select automatic based on sequence, and also this transaction we are select this. So now our animation looping is work fine, and we create a simple animation looping for our test character. Now let's check this animation. Just we are go back to our third person loopings, and here you can see this is our BP third person character, and this is our game mode, and we just duplicate it and rename it BP candy, and we are just double click it and open it and go to viewport and select the mesh. We change the mesh to our candy character, and you can see our character has no animation here, and we are search the animation we create now, and you can see this is our character now animationing, and it's fine. And also we are select for our world settings, this is our BP third person game mode, and default pawn we are just select our BP candy. So now if we hit play button, and you can see our character is uh, working, but you can see our walking animation is not work because we need some blooping action for make live this character. So let's head back to our animation blooping, and go to anim curved, and here we are search. We are set up the speed of our character, movement speed of our character for our animation blooping. So we are search here get velocity, and also we need vector length, vector length, and now we are set up our speed variable here, and also we are set up our character movement according to our character when our character is jump. So we are search get movement component, and also search is falling, and now we are set our is jumping. Compile. So let's test it. Now we are hit play button. You can see our character is running perfectly, and when we are just press jump, our character jump. Oh, no, 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 there is an issue. I think I make a mistake. Okay, let's head back to our animation blueprint here, and you can see I make a mistake here, that I make the transaction here. If this jumping, our character is jump, and here I make the not things. I just delete this, and because when our character is jumping, when the jumping is finished, our jump idle is mean falling is will be loop, and when the character is not jumping, our character is jump down. So we are just make this boolean here. So we are just drag get jump and set a not boolean here, not boolean here, and select this to there, compile. And I think our problem is will be here, and here we just select automatic based on animation. We just go there and just drag it to this, and this take the automatic jumping. And now let's test it. So when our character is jump and fold, our land character, and now is the fully okay. You can see our character is working, and when we press jump, our character jump and loop and down. And this is perfect animation we make for our dash character. And for the best things, we just go to our third person blueprint, open our BP blueprint here, viewport. We just drag the camera, not the camera, we just drag the font of this and compile. And now it's look good and pretty, and you can see our character is uh, working perfectly. And when we press jump, our character jump, and that's why we are make our animation blueprint perfectly. So this is our class how to make your character animation blueprint. That's character animation blueprint perfectly. Okay.